Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to permanently delete photos from trash on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. To permanently remove photos from trash, go to Photos app, then let's delete a photo. Choose a photo and delete it, and whenever you delete it, it's not permanently deleted just yet. It's moved to trash for about a month, and then it will be permanently deleted. But before that, you can permanently delete it yourself or restore it. So let's go to collections, and here is trash, and you can choose a photo and you can restore or delete it permanently. I'm gonna delete it permanently, and now it doesn't appear anywhere on my phone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.